Hey, what's up, peoples? We're back for round 2, and we're fucking cooking Dr. Thunder, which is just Dr. Pepper, but sad.
I'm the YouTuber here. I am the one who YouTubes. But yeah, like and subscribe, boys. We have Dr. Thunder. So
Great, 10 out of 10 intro. We're done. Video's over.
Video's over. Yep, go home. Yeah. It's like Dr. Pepper, but sad, all right? It's the thing that your mom gets that you're just like, hey, I want Dr. Pepper. And she goes, Walmart.
Dr. Thunder.
All right.
It's way better, sweetie. Trust me.
Oh,
What the fuck is this? ASMR?
I'm trying, bro.
You're trying to get all of the. We got food.
All the ticks, bro.
We got food. We got soda. We got ASMR. We've got comedy.
Entertainment. Educational. I have deemed this video educational for all of your viewing pleasures. Right. Now,
It's terrifying.
to add the Dr. Thunder. And if you guys want to see more of this amazing content, please check out more. I want to do this even more. And comment down below another thing that I should cook ramen in that I shouldn't, like Dr. Thunder. And if you ever ask me to do gamer subs, don't. I want them to sponsor me first because that's a thing. When is that going to happen? Never. So,
Go, smash.
you like men?
No, I'm good. Unless I'm drunk.
Yeah. He's available, boys. You just heard it. It's like, no, man, I've been talking to this hot dude. I'm fine.
Merry Christmas.
Bro, with my luck, this is coming out in February.
Yeah.
Mark my words. I have a great schedule.
It is January 6th. It is like a week after Christmas. So if this comes out in February, this is now his fault.
I'm great at
Dude,
posting.
honestly, this content's good. Just upload the pod.
No.
Are you gonna at least leave in funny moments?
You can watch the live stream where I sometimes go live because I decided to do it on Twitch for a little bit, and that was a mistake. See? That's boiling. Alright? That's straight up
Put
boiling.
the water on. Put the noodles in.
Put the water in.
Put the water.
Bring out the whole ocean.
Put,
Bring out the whole ocean.
fucking dump the specific.
They're
You know
also
that
all
elephant
like
dicks weigh like a ton.
same. Ask your mother. Hey! I have an absurdly small penis. Smells like my Aunt Coco. She smokes a lot of cigarettes.
Oh no.
You slipping there, bud?
Well, but
Bro, take the socks off. Feet pics. I'm kidding. I'm not
for
showing my feet.
free.
For free?
For free.
And then it just cues the Russian national anthem.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh my god, I'm gonna get flagged for racist. Oh my god, racist. And it's Sayos Deoshi.
Oh my god, we're gonna get flagged for racism.
We?
Yeah,
Who is we?
I'm here now.
You're the one who made fun of it. No, I'm the one who sang it correctly, on tune. Oh my god, I'm gonna get flagged for copyright.
Kiki break even donkey.
See, now that's just racist. Alright, so the noodles are turning out fine. It just does not smell good.
I'm not trying this.
You're trying.
I'm not.
You're already this far.
Oh my god, this smells.
I'll make a good ramen afterwards. See, at some point, I think for April Fools, if I keep doing this, on April Fools, I'm just going to be like, all right, boys, today we're cooking it in premium water. Let's just be straight out of the tap. I'll make a whole video. I'll get a camera and everything to just like pan over sexually to the faucet as I fill up the pot. So from what I heard, and the reason why you guys shouldn't, I don't care what you do, this at home. It's made out of 3 different things: water, sugar, and cornstarch.
And glucose.
Syrup. And all.
It is way down.
Sugar is glucose. Glucose is sugar.
I mean dextrose.
Dextrose. It's the same thing.
Glucose and dextrose are not the same fucking
They're
thing.
basically the same thing.
No, they're not.
Look it up.
All right.
But So the reason is, I actually looked this up.
Oh yeah, he looked this up, but not that glucose and dextrose are the same fucking thing.
So the syrup actually, syrup, water, it different, right? So once all the water actually evaporates, you're just left with syrup. So if this boils long enough, it's just gonna become Dr. Thunder syrup, right? We don't want that, right? We want the good stuff.
Aha, you motherfucker. Dextrose is what it is when it's in food. Glucose is when it's in your blood, bitch. They don't put your fucking blood in Dr. Thunder.
They might as well just hit me up.
Just straight heroin needle.
Dude, just...
I need my fucking...
Ah!
I need my fucking fix,
Oh, wait, no,
bitch.
it's... Ah!
Oh my god.
Right into it. Oh,
Squeeze
that'd
out
be
of
fun for, like, blood cancer or something for a charity. Just, like, cook ramen in my own blood.
Oh my god! That's awful!
Is this cooked enough to your liking?
Me? No.
Oh, cool, because all the water's boiling out.
Oh no!
It's fine, guys. I'm a professional. I don't want it to just turn into syrup, alright?
You know, I mean, it might be better than the alternative.
I did this last time! What do I have, a food? You know what this smells like? Dude, this smells like a corn dog!
Yeah, it does.
It smells like a corn dog!
I'm not excited anymore.
My fat ass said, ooh. Look, want to see it still boiling? Look at that. Thumbnail time. Compared to the other ones, there is barely any liquid in this. Genuinely, there's barely any.
It cooked into the noodle.
Yeah! And it smells like a corn dog. Funnily enough. See, this is why science. Honestly, now I'm tempted to say you guys should try this at home because it genuinely smells like a corn dog.
Yeah, that does not look like a good face.
Okay, so you know how Dr. Pepper says that there's 21 flavors or something like that?
Is there any?
I think there's 20, what was this? 21,
27.
27 flavors in it. There's a flavor there.
Oh no! Fuck!
Okay, but honestly, go into it thinking it tastes like a corn dog, and it tastes like, oh my god, it tastes like a blueberry corn dog. I hate to say it. It tastes like a blueberry corn dog.
That's better than the Diet Coke.
See, there's a flavor there.
That's better than the Diet Coke.
Don't know what
Diet
flavor.
Coke didn't have a flavor. That has a flavor. I'm really not excited to try this one with the chicken flavoring, surprisingly.
You're the one who recommended it that one time.
I know. It still doesn't mean it's going to be a good idea. It made the Diet Coke better. Maybe it'll make this better. Who the fuck knows? That's not bad.
Oh my god, that's gross. Dude, that made it so much worse.
I'm okay with that.
That made it so much worse.
I don't know what he's talking about. I like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The aftertaste.
The aftertaste is really good.
Ooh.
Yeah.
It tastes like a barbecue chicken.
Exactly.
Dude, no, it tastes like a, what is it? Honey barbecue chicken.
Honey barbecue.
Ooh, but it's still like barbecue, right?
Mm-hmm.
But barbecue chicken. Oh my god. How have we made barbecue chicken? This sucks.
No, it's great.
Science! Education. You know what? No. If we said that a regular ramen pack is like an 8, we need to perfect the flavor a little bit more. But honestly, I would say this is an 8 as well. I could see myself potentially buying this.
As it is now, it's a 7 for me. But if it got better, I could definitely...
If it wasn't what it was, I could see myself buying this genuinely as like a barbecue chicken or something. That was actually like...
It was okay.
Eh.
Surprise! Probably the best one out of all 5.
Hey, out of literally all of the things that we've tried, that might be the best. So, if you guys want to make it yourselves, just do what I did. Except, don't do what I did at the same time. We still got one more. But stay tuned for the next time when I cook it. It's something I really shouldn't. Don't say it. Don't you dare spoil it, asshole.
I'm straight. Okay, anyways.
Bye.
Bye!
Take your